Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace a radiator in your vehicle. This process requires careful attention to detail and proper safety measures. Before you begin, always wear appropriate protective gear, such as gloves and eye protection, and disconnect your vehicle's battery. Make sure you have all the necessary tools, including various wrenches, pliers, and a large drain pan. Also, have your new radiator, fresh coolant, and new hose clamps ready to go. Preparation is key for a smooth replacement. Now, let's get started with draining the old coolant. First, position a large drain pan directly under the radiator's drain cock to catch all the fluid. Carefully open the drain cock, and then remove the radiator cap to help the coolant flow out completely. Once the system is drained, use pliers or a screwdriver to loosen the clamps and disconnect both the upper and lower radiator hoses. Don't forget to unplug any electrical connectors, like those for the cooling fans or sensors that are attached to the radiator. Proper coolant disposal is important. With the coolant drained and connections removed, it's time to take out the old radiator. Locate and remove any mounting bolts, clips, or brackets that hold the radiator in place. Gently lift the old radiator straight up and out of the engine bay, being careful not to damage other components. Now, carefully lower your new radiator into the vehicle, ensuring it sits correctly in its mounting points. Reconnect all the radiator hoses, securing them with new clamps, and plug in all electrical connectors firmly. Double-check every connection for tightness. Finally, let's get your cooling system back in action. Slowly fill the new radiator with the manufacturer-recommended type and amount of fresh coolant, typically several liters. It's crucial to bleed any trapped air from the system. Run the engine with the heater on high and the radiator cap off until no more bubbles appear. Once filled, start the engine and let it reach its normal operating temperature. Carefully inspect all hose connections and the radiator itself for any signs of leaks, and confirm your cooling fans are cycling on and off as they should. You've successfully replaced your radiator.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.